Hello kids! Today we will learn about animals. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a lion. The lion is big. Is the lion small or big? That's right, it's big. This is an elephant. It has a long trunk and big ears. Can you say elephant? Great job. Look, this is a monkey. Monkeys love to eat bananas. Do you like bananas too? This is a dog. The dog is a loyal friend. The dog says, woof, woof. Look at these friends. One says, I like dogs. The other says, I like monkeys. What is your favorite animal? You did a wonderful job today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more fun. Goodbye.